Not too long now, Wave Wallet will be going to mainnet, but there is a very important or vital task that we all have to complete in order for you to qualify to receive your airdrop when they plan to get listed. And to do that, all you basically have to do is to open up your Wave homepage. And as you can see, you are required to connect your main Wave wallet to the website. Now, the most sensible or the most logical reason that I can think of right now that is making them ask us to log into a website might be probably due to the fact that Wave Wallet or Wave will not be listing on Ton blockchain. They will be listing on SUI. So the problem right now is that that will go against the new Telegram policy that mandates all airdrops or all mini apps on it to list or be working on Ton blockchain. So this might be an early call that they are leaving Telegram, but we are not too sure of this information yet. All we basically have to do right now is to obey. So if you come on your screen here, you will see just this message. You are going to see Wave Mini Wallet is live. Then all you simply have to do is to click on this connect now. So once you click on this connect now, it is going to generate a URL for you. And as you can see, this is my own. So it's telling me to regenerate login or to log into Wave. So the next thing you want to do is to now click on this open Wave. Don't click on this one yet. This is what you need to click on first of all. So you click on open Wave. Now, once your Wave opens up, the next thing you want to do is to look at the top left of your screen and then you select this menu button, or as we call it, hamburger menu. So once you click on it, you are going to see this your seed phrase here. The next thing you want to do is to click on this to copy your seed phrase. If you have also saved your seed phrase somewhere, maybe you wrote it down or you have it wherever you saved it, you will not need to come into the app. But for an easier method, you basically have to come into here. You click on this seed phrase and copy. For security reason, I am not opening my own. Seed phrase is very private. So open your own, copy your seed phrase. Now, once you have copied your seed phrase, the next thing you want to do now is to click on this back button to head back out of this page, and then I'm going to close it. After closing, what you want to do next now is to click on this log in to Wave. So you basically click on that button and allow it to load up. So this is the Wave mini website. The one you just left now is the mini wallet or the mini bot on Telegram. So this is basically the website. What I want to do next is to click on this import wallet. What I want to do next is to import the seed phrase I have copied from that place or put in my private key. Either one works. So as you can see, I have imported my wallet and my balance has now been displaying here. And that is basically how to go about it. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel.